Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course. This is Raeshad from RaeshadBeats.com. Welcome to another Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course video. And in today's video, we're going to do something simple. I'm going to show you guys how to reverse audio. So right now in this session, all I have really is just this beat. There's no vocals. What I'll do is though, I'm going to record like a little something just to give you guys an idea of what we're going to do. And I'm going to show you guys how to reverse. I'm going to show you guys how to reverse the audio that we're going to record. So let's go ahead and record just some random whatever. Reverse, reverse, record, record, reverse, reverse, record, record. Score, score, I got it, 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 I got it. Welcome to Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course. Welcome to the Crash Dummy Course. Of course, you know we gotta get it in. You know we gotta get it in. Ain't no fitting in. Nah, never was a fitting in. Speaking like a synonym. Hey, yeah, get back with it. One time, so get back with it. That's just one line, alright, whatever. So that was just some random whatever. But as you can tell, so just imagine that was like a verse or whatever. And what we're gonna do is I'm gonna just reverse just this part right here of this section of the recording we just did, and let's see how that works. So let's see. To reverse this, you click on this, or click on the section you want to reverse. Go to Audio Suite. Go to Other, and click on Reverse. Now what you can see here is on the Audio Suite, it'll pop up the reverse window, and there's not too much you can pick. There's a couple of things, like you can do multi-input mode and mono mode, but I usually don't touch those. It'll automatically reverse the audio for you. So what you can do is you can listen to the preview just to see how it sounds, and I'll play it. Like, that sounds crazy, but yeah. So let's try it. Let's render that, and let's hear what that sounds like. I'll mute the mic again. So as you can tell, just by going to the Audio Suite and clicking on Other and Reverse, you can reverse any section of audio in your session. And I'm gonna do the same thing for the beat just to give you more of an example. So I already clicked on the section that I want, and then I'm gonna go to Other at the bottom and go to Reverse, and then I render it. And as you can tell, it reversed the entire wave. So let's hear how it sounds. Yeah, that just don't sound crazy, but that's all there is to it. That's really all there is to it. If you want to learn how to reverse audio in this section, you could do it on any part of the audio. All you gotta do is zoom in and section off everything that you need, that you want to record, and that you want to reverse. With that being said, I want to thank you guys for tuning in to another Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course video. I know this video is pretty quick, but we're going to continue to keep bringing more Pro Tools tutorials and keep breaking Pro Tools down step by step, video by video. If you haven't already, get your hands on the Pro Tools Crash Dummy Course tutorial video training course. We got over 21 videos that explain how to record and mix in Pro Tools step by step, and show you guys how to navigate Pro Tools like a pro. So check that out in the description below. Be on the lookout for more tutorials, and if there's something that you want me to break down in Pro Tools, if you want me to do a video to it, please leave a comment below. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.
Raeshad.